Queen, back at it again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I got this sleek, low ponytail with like these bobby pins, like this little hair design that I got here. I'm going to show you how I got that. And if you like videos like this, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see in a future video. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification button, hit the little bell. That's how you get notified every time I post. And let's just get started. Okay, so I'm starting off with my wide tooth comb, and I'm just going to be combing out all my hair, and I'm making sure that I'm getting all the knots and tangles out of my hair. And that stuff you see flying around, it is product. I do not have dandruff, none of that, etc., etc. So yeah, I'm just going to be combing out my hair with this wide tooth comb, making sure everything's detangled, and then I'm going to go in with my thin tooth comb, and I'm going to part my hair. I'm giving myself a side part and make sure it's a nice clean side part. So now I'm taking my Eco Styler gel, and this is the argan oil one, and I am applying it to my top of my head, just to the top of my head, because I want the bottom part of my head to stay poofy so I can have a nice fluffy ponytail. So I'm just going to be going in with my brush and just going to keep on brushing that product in. And then I'm going to take some water just to make sure it is very slick down. And I'm just going to be creating a swoop and keep on brushing and brushing and brushing. The key to this hairstyle is to have a nice sleek ponytail. So you want to keep on brushing and brushing and brushing till you get a desired look. And also I'm going in with my combs here. So I'm taking my pick to pick out the bottom of my hair, and I'm taking that thin tooth comb to comb out the perimeter of my head, like the top part actually. And then I'm going in with my brush, and I'm just going to be brushing my hair into a ponytail, and then I'm going to put my hair into a ponytail. And then after that, I'm going in with my brush again, brushing it, make sure everything's swooped down. Then I'm taking that comb and combing out the top part of my head. Then I'm going to take out that scrunchie, add some water to my hair, brush my hair down, have a nice little swoop going on. And then I'm going to keep on brushing, and then I'm going to rebrush it into a nice slick back ponytail. And did I mention the key to this is to keep on brushing? I don't know if I did or not, but the key to this is just to keep on brushing so you get a nice sleek ponytail. And then I'm going in with this paddle brush, and I'm brushing my hair into that ponytail, fixing that swoop up, and then I'm putting it into a scrunchie. And then I'm going back in with that brush again and fixing up my swoop. And then after that, I am going to take my toothbrush with some gel, and then I'm just going to be doing my baby hairs. And on the first side, which is this side, I did 2 swoops, just like that. And then on this side, I did 3, one next to the part, one in between that first one, and then one at the bottom. And that is basically it for the swoops. So now for the bobby pins. Okay, so I'm just fixing up my little swoop there, and then now I'm going in with my orange pick, and I'm just going to fluff my ponytail. Just like I said, I want a nice fluffy ponytail, so I'm just going to keep on picking at it till I get a desired look. And you can keep going, or you can stop whenever you want. It depends how big your ponytail is or how much hair you have. So now I am going in with these gold bobby pins that I got from Dollar Tree for $1. There's like 60 of them in there. And I'm just going to create a nice little design here. So first I started off by adding 1 bobby pin straight up and down, and then I did a crossover with 2 bobby pins, and then I'm going to add a bobby pin right next to it, standing straight. And then I'm doing another crossover, and then I'm going to my other side, and I'm going to do 1 straight up and down, and then I'm going to do an what do they call it? What do I call them? A crossover. I'm going to do a crossover, and then I'm going to go back with some water in my spray bottle, and then I'm going to do another bobby pin next to that crossover, and then I'm adding another bobby pin to the other side of that crossover on the first crossover that I did. And also I'm fixing up my edges. So here's that other bobby pin. And then I'm going to apply a scarf to my head. But first I'm going to fix up my hair again because the bobby pins kind of moved my swoop. So now I'm adding the scarf and I'm going to come back in about 10 minutes. In about 10 minutes, and this is my finished look with that nice little design that I came with on the spot. Like, oh my gosh, looks so nice. But yeah, that is it. This video, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to comment down below what you want to see in a future video, and definitely don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified every time I post, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.